welcome in to another woolly review, and it is Wendy's Knits Recycled, made from recycled bottles. Super chunky, flecked, super chunky. No matter the colour, every ball is green. 8mm hook. Now yes, it's a Tunisian hook, but I don't have an 8mm in standard hook, so sorry. This is in the colour KR06. And this is 4% premium acrylic, 2% viscose, 94% recycled polyester. Okay. Sorry, reading more of the label. Is there a thingy on it? Oh, there it is. 92 meters or 100 yards approximately. And this can be recycled because it's not shiny, so it doesn't have a plastic coating on it. Lovely, lovely. Now, it's already unraveling itself, which does concern me a little bit. I'm only going to do a half swatch with this because I don't want to ruin the donut any more than it is, she says, and she has no idea how to start this. I'm going to be very careful. That's what I'm going to do. And of course, it's bound to not frog very well because it is quite fuzzy. So this is a silvery grey, and all the flecks are many different colours. We have reds and yellows and blues and greens, orange, pink, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. We're going to do single crochets for a row. Oops, my fault. I quite like the concept of these recycled, because let's face it, we are using plastic when we're knitting or crocheting. This is plastic. It's just in a different form. And we know that plastic is killing the earth right now. Oh, there's a fleck of black. We know that it's destroying everything. So it's nice that it's recycled and not brand spanking new. Okay, we're going to do a half double row. It's a lot of flecking going on here. It's a lot all in one space. Speaking of flecking, the colourings for this, there are 4 different solid colours and 4 different flecked colours. So really 8 altogether, but 4 solid, 4 flecked, which is a shame. There should be more. There really ought to be more. I wish there were more. It feels very, very soft. You can definitely feel the polyester, because it's polyester that really makes softy. Okay, we're going to do one more row, and that will be double crochet. the cheapest place I found this was at the Cheap Shop Tiptree. That's the full name. And it was £3.29. All the details for this wool will be down in the description either way, so you can go and take a gander. I'm not talking about geese. Please don't go stealing geese. As it's working through the fingers, I can feel it, but holding it, I guess with any super chunky, it feels rather nice to hold, but I can feel it going through my fingers. That doesn't mean it's rough, it just means that I can feel it. It's not gliding through and softly, but it definitely isn't rough. One more. And there we are. So stitch definition wise, it's okay. It's not brilliant, but it's okay. I mean, the single crochet looks like a bunch of knots. I can tell what the double crochet is. I can kind of just about tell what the half double is. Just about. So, feels very nice on the skin. Very nice. No stretch whatsoever. Now here's the bit that I'm dreading. Let's do a slow frog. Colour me impressed. Oh, I spoke too soon. And do I dare get the frog on the moped? Maybe not. No, we daren't do a moped. So if you're a fast frogger, steer clear. Oops. There we go. Definitely don't want to cut it because it's going in the giveaway cube. That's not a knot, that's a fleck. Kinkage. There is a little bit there, but nothing I'd be concerned over. Now, how am I going to re-donut this? I don't know how donuts get wound. I know how they get eaten. I'm not sure how they get wound. Oh, no. No, 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 no. Thank you. I'll put that in the middle along with its band. I'm not talking about a mariachi band either. So Knits Recycled by Wendy. Would I turn it down point blank? No. Would I be really annoyed? Oh, there's purple in there as well. Would I be really annoyed if that was the only super chunky in the shop and it wasn't on my list, but I had no choice, I had to take it? No. Would it be in my top 10? Yes. Would it be in my top 3? Yes. But I think that's where I'm going to keep it. It's £3.29 for, what is it? Is it 50 grams? I can't even remember how many grams it is. I know it will say down there, but it doesn't say. Oh yeah, 100 grams. 100 grams. £3.29. Super chunky. Under 100 meters. I think for that price, it's about average. About average. But it's still a lot of money. It's such a shame there's only 4 solids and 4 flecked. It's a shame. And that's why I'm keeping 1 mark off. It is a little slightly teeny weeny bit on the expensive side, but it's really, really nice. It's just such a shame that there aren't many colours of it. But this is now going in the giveaway cube, and I hope I get to see you next week. Let me know if you've given it a go, or if you would give it a go. Let me know down there. Maybe give me a thumbs up if it was any use to you, and hopefully I will see you next time if you are subscribed. It's free, you know. Hopefully you'll take care, and I'll see you soon. Take care. Bye bye.